Hey, I'm gonna introduce some electric motorcycle right behind me. This is our weight champion and super wild design. This is MOTA Z3. Wild! To modify, you got a 3 container here and with the 2 battery inside, you no need to worry about the range. So wild! Equipped with ABS braking system can keep you safer while you chase speed. That is so wild! And I have to say the acceleration, that is crazy. Just 4 seconds and about the full charge range up to the 140 kilometer top speed at 100 kilometer per hour. Super low price. If you want to get one, feel free to contact us.